Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks in ocean is home. First, you need to find clay, which is a vital resource. Head to the lagoon on Hornet Island or search after storms on Farmer's Island. Once you find a clay patch, use your pickaxe to collect it. Gathering enough clay is the very first step towards building your structures. Next, you will need a furnace to process your raw clay. To construct a stone furnace, you must gather both stone and animal fat. These materials are commonly found throughout the islands. Once you have the necessary components, open your crafting menu and build the furnace. This essential structure will allow you to transform raw materials into usable items. With your furnace built, it is time to make yellow bricks. Open the furnace interface and place your collected clay into the top input slots. Then, add wood into the designated fuel slot to ignite the fire. The furnace will begin smelting the clay. For every 1 unit of clay you process, you will typically receive 2 finished yellow bricks, ready for construction. For more advanced building, you can also craft red bricks. To do this, you will need 1 yellow brick and 2 pieces of charcoal. Charcoal is easily acquired by harvesting common stone. Place these items into your furnace, along with wood for fuel, and begin the smelting process. Red bricks are often required for more durable or aesthetically pleasing structures in your island home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.